Hello, my name is Ryan.Calmont, and I'm gonna give you a little tour of my Weebly right here, Weebly account. So you see right there, Ryan.Calmont. Right now these are all my blogs. I have them on my main page. As soon as you walk in, as soon as you log in, you see this is my main page. You see what I'm talking about. You see cyberbullying, AUPs. So let's go on to the next one. So if I click on the menu, I will go about me. Let's click on about me for right now. I just told you something about me. My name is Ryan.Calmont. I attend the University of Mount Union. I am born and raised in the Sunshine State of Orlando, Florida, and I'm Haitian and Puerto Rican. So I just told you what I am and you know where I'm from. Stay on the about me. We go on my philosophy of education page right here. My philosophy of technology. So this is my philosophy of technology right here on this page. I talk about technology. So we go to the next one. We go to my resume. So my name. Talk about Florida. My education. My honors, my awards, my community service, work experience, my relevant skills, and special training certifications. That's me right there. Lesson pages. That's right here, lesson pages. I put a lot on my lesson pages. I put a whole unit plan. So I have 2 lesson plans in here, unit plan, to just show more of what I can do and what I can create. It's just all over here. Got my stand. I got everything on here. And down here I have a video that this puts into my lesson plan, so in case you just want to get more. And I have another video within the same tab, lesson pages, video lessons. This is my play pause it. You can go watch my play pause it video right there. I go to calendar. You can see in the calendar what I have, what is planned. Right now, it's saying that the internet connection is not that good, so you can't see it. But I have stuff planned in the calendar, what's happening for this next month of May. And I have some artifacts. On my artifacts page, I just show you pictures of me and my family and my friends. Just so you know, my grandma, me right there. It's me and my grandma. It's my brother and my cousin. My brother's actually the one on the left, even though everyone says the one on the right looks like me. Me here, play football at Mount Union, my 2 best friends. And right there in the middle is my family. So, that is my Weebly page. And I hope you like it. Thank you.